Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'd like to share with you how I made this really beautiful wall mirror. Interested? Then just keep watching. Here are the items that I used for this project. So the first thing I did was remove the mirror and the cardboard from its frame. I then attached these 6-inch wood dowels to my frame. To insert my wood dowels into my frame, I used my high temperature hot glue gun to melt a hole into the plastic. I was then able to insert my wood dowel. During this process, I did stop periodically to clean the plastic from my glue gun. Next, I evenly spaced out my wood dowels as much as possible, and then I used hot glue to hold those wood dowels in place. I then took my design out to a well-ventilated area and gave it one coat of my silver metallic spray paint. Once my spray paint was completely dry, I then brought my design back in and used this fix-all adhesive from the Dollar Tree to add my 1-inch mirrors. I then added a second row of those mirrors. As I'm adding my third row, you'll notice that some of the 1-inch mirrors sat on one of the wood dowels versus two. So in this case, I added a bit of hot glue to those mirrors to hold them in place until the strong adhesive had time to dry. Here, I'm using my strong adhesive and hot glue to add a fourth row of mirrors. I then adjusted my mirrors as needed, and I allowed this to dry for about 30 minutes. I then began adding my second layer of mirrors. I continued adding the mirrors until I had added 3 rows of those mirrors on top. I did purchase these mirrors from Michael's Craft Store. I used a place your order online pickup in store 40% off coupon, which means that I paid about $1.20 per pack. I used 8 packs for this project, so I spent less than $10 for all the mirrors used for this project. To hide the dowels that were still visible, I decided to add a 4th row of the mirrors. You'll see here that in order to do so, I had to overlap some of them simply because there was just no other way to add this 4th mirror to each of the rows. Once all my mirrors were placed, I allowed my design to dry overnight. The following day, I added 2 rows of these self-adhesive gemstone stickers. Although these gemstone stickers are self-adhesive, I'm also adding small amounts of hot glue just to ensure that these stickers stay in place over time. I then used hot glue to reattach the mirror to its frame. To hang this, I'm using the cardboard that came with my mirror. I believe that this hanging hook is strong enough to hold this on my wall. While it appears to be super heavy, the craft mirrors are lightweight, so I would say that this piece is less than 2 pounds. I added a generous amount of hot glue to reattach my cardboard, but also added glue to the back of several mirrors to ensure that they were securely in place as well. I then began cleaning my mirror. Here I'm using rubbing alcohol to clean my mirrors. I'm also using my X-Acto knife to remove the excess glue. I also used a warm hairdryer to melt the hot glue strings that were on the back of the mirror. And here's the finished look. This Glam mirror was super easy and very inexpensive to make, and I think it turned out beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Also, be sure to subscribe to my second channel, Dazzling Designs by Denise, Up Close and Personal. I'll leave a link to my new vlog channel below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.